I'm gonna push the button, 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 push the button.
Yesterday here was a battle on.
I hate you.
No! And why did you beat Igor?
I don't know, I simply dislike him.
Push the button! Push the button!
You know what? I'm gonna win.
No, you are not.
Yes, I am.
No, you are not.
I am.
Not.
Push the button!
Boring.
Let's play cards. What game do you know?
What about solitaire?
Great. Let's make a tournament. Bad. Bad. Oh no. Bad. Terrible. Ball.
Born to be a loser will not be a winner.
That's not fair. You must have cheated.
Push the button!
Hello. Pleasure to meet you, sir. May I interest you in a few offers?
You know, we are filming a show here.
Great, I'm on the TV. Hello, Mom. Great batteries. Used, but like new. No scratches, no damage. If you buy them in the next 15 minutes, you'll get them cased.
Sorry, I've got no time for that. Advertising costs a lot on TV. Goodbye.
Push the button!
Great dribbling, but it won't go from the bottom to the top. Miss! He shot like an old woman. No, you won't score shooting like that. Ooh, not even close. Loser! Didn't even touch the rim. What was that?
Push the button!
Hello, people! How are you today?
In the beginning, there were 12 of them. They faced plenty of challenges, fulfilled lots of tasks. One of them after another eliminated. For John and Igor, there is only one step to the top left. They've come a long way, almost to the top, and now it's time for one of them to win, for another one to lose. So wish them both luck. Now it's time for their final task on
Push the button!
Applause for John and Igor. Now listen to your final task. You'll have to build a tower from Lithuanian cents. Now sit and begin.
Come to the circus while you can. We've got a grand disaster plan. It's sure to stimulate your glands. So pop your pooper in the stands. Let's get inside a circus tent. You wonder where your money went. You want to see the circus, please? Step inside and see.
This is my last one.
Show you things your mother never showed you. Locked up in the recess of your mind. Put fingers held up to the wind, relax and let us slide it in. For if we do, you just might come again. So leave behind your lowly job and throw your lot in without harm. And though you may find we're perverse, well, it could really be virtuous.
Okay. The winner of the reality show
Push the button!
and the grand prize is... The winner is... You will know that after a short break. Just kidding. The winner is Igor!
Oh my god! I win! I can't believe! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Remember? We announced earlier that the grand prize is a brand new car. Well, to speak the truth, we have failed to find enough sponsors to buy a brand new car. But we still gift you with a car. You can see it through the window. And here are your keys.
This is my car? Are you stupid?
The world is full of terror.
No,
If
no,
someone
no,
makes
no,
an
no,
error,
wait
he's
a
gonna
minute.
blow us
I
up
can
to biddy kingdom come. There are some crazy rulers, they hide and try to fool us with demonic technologic willingness to harm. They're gonna
Push the button! 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 Push the button!
Il y a plein de souffrances dans la rue, à trop de violence et on a beaucoup de chance d'être vivant, même pas blessé. Avancement tactique des régimes fanatiques, situation tragique qui me met les larmes aux yeux.
Push the button!